Guys, just imagine that you want to paint your own car, your own bike, or just about anything, and you want to do it by yourself. Every time you look at your motorcycle, you keep thinking of what color you should paint it in. Should it be single color, dual tone color? Will the people say turn like this when they see your motorcycle? And when you think about this, things get more exciting, guys. Now, this is not only your dream. This is the dream of all the young automotive enthusiasts like me who wanted their bike to look awesome and unique because it is like the part of their personality. So before you start with the paint job, there are 4 major questions that you should be asking yourself in the first place to avoid wastage of expensive material, valuable time and your efforts. My name is Ryson and I am an Autobody and paint expert author and instructor, and in this video I will tell you those 4 major questions which you should be asking yourself before starting a paint job. Today I have a slight sore throat, so don't worry about it because this is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe. So the first thing that you should be asking yourself before starting the paint job is, do you have the right knowledge? Yes guys, it is a very important and very powerful question that you should be asking yourself. I remember my younger days, guys, when I was painting my cycle and I was doing the sanding process. And one of my friends, he came and he saw me doing it and he asked me, "What are you doing?" And I told him that I am sanding the surface. And he asked me why I am doing that. And I told him that I want to paint the surface, that's why I am sanding it. Then that friend of mine went and he came the next day. When he came the next day, he saw me applying primer and then he started asking me, why am I applying such type of color on my cycle? And I said, it is not the paint, it is the primer. Now he was slightly confused, so he went back home. Now because he was my neighbor, he came again the next day. And on that day, I was sanding the primer. So he got totally confused now. And he started asking me, why are you spoiling the primer now by sanding it? And I told him that is the part of the process. But he had a question which popped up in his mind, and that is why? Why I have to do the same thing again and again? And he got kind of annoyed and he did not come back after that. Until he saw my cycle after the paint job, which has nice paint on it and it was looking awesome. And now he wanted to do it by himself as well. Like this, guys, when we see someone doing things, many questions pop up in our head. And sometimes we feel that that person is doing nonsense things. But when we see the final results and the final product, we know that the person knows what he is doing and that there is a process to it. Now there are many things which come under right knowledge, guys. Things like where to buy the paints, what type of paints to use, where to start, how to mix the paints, how to use the spray guns, what type of spray guns to use. And there is a whole lot of things, guys. So once you ask this question to yourself, it is either a yes or a no. If it is a yes, then you should go ahead. If it is a no, then you should be working on acquiring the right knowledge. So the next question that you should be asking yourself is, have you trained yourself? Yes guys, that's correct. It doesn't matter if you have all the knowledge about the skill, but if you have not practiced it, then you are not going to be good at it. Because until you put your skill into practice, nothing is going to change. Just imagine, guys, that you have all the knowledge about cricket, but you have never holded a bat in your hand. Can you go and play cricket or reach the international level of playing cricket? No, because you have never practiced it. And right knowledge is not going to get you there. So practice your skill to the best of your ability and in a relaxing manner, guys. Don't do a haste. Do it in a relaxing manner. Before spraying the paint on the main surface, use cheap products and try it on a test panel where even if you make a mistake, it is fine because it is just a test panel and the material which you have used is cheap. Also, guys, take guidance from someone who is good at it so that he makes you aware of the common mistakes that you can do in autobody and painting and will tell you how to avoid them, or even if you do a mistake, then you should know how to rectify them. So having the right guidance can help you do that. And nowadays, you don't have to go anywhere to get good guidance, guys. You can do it from the comfort of your home. So today in this video, I'm going to make a special announcement, guys. An announcement about my free course. Well, actually, I wanted to keep this course completely free. But guys, you know it. Nobody values things which they get for free. And also guys, I want serious people to enroll in this course. Serious people who will take action and get results. This course is very simple to follow guys. You just watch the video and then whatever I tell you in the video, you go and practice and take action and get results. Results is what matters to me the most guys. I want you guys to get results and that too excellent results. So this course is all about to know Autobody and painting a little bit better, with some do-it-yourself videos and PDFs to follow. It is a very interesting course guys. And what should be the price of the course? Should it be 2000? No. 1000? No. Should it be 500? No. Then what you think is the price of the course? Guys, I have kept the price of the course to the bare minimal so that everybody can afford. It is the price of a 2-liter Coke bottle guys. Yes, I have kept it only 99 rupees. Now this course is not advanced course or the beginner course. It is all about to know Autobody and painting a little bit better. So if you are not ready to invest 99 rupees to learn a skill, then you are not serious about this skill guys. And I only want serious people in this course guys who will take action. This course is all about watching a video and taking action and get amazing results. So if you want to get yourself enrolled, then I have put a link of the course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. And with that, let's move on to the third question that you should be asking yourself before starting the paint job. And the third question is, do you have the right tools? Yes guys, this is the question that you should be asking yourself third. Now there are many things which come under tools guys, like do you have the right space? Do you have the right spray gun? Do you know how to use the sandpapers correctly? Do you have the compressors? And many things guys. I have already made a video on that. I will put a link of that video in the end screen so you can later go there and watch that video as well. Guys, many people do this mistake. They first buy the tools and then they come and get enrolled in the course. I tell this in all of my videos already. And if you are following my channel for a long time, then you must be knowing it already. Because once you get enrolled in the course, you come to know that the tool which you bought is of no use. And now your money is wasted. So don't let that happen guys. Learn first and then invest in the tools. And with that, let's move on to the fourth and the last major question that you should be asking yourself before you start the paint job. And that is, do you have the right safety gears? Guys, your health is the most important thing on this earth. If you don't have good health, you can't do anything. So learn about the precautions that you should take to avoid hazards. Be aware of the ventilation and learn how to handle paint products. Protect yourself, save yourself. And if you protect yourself while doing the paint job, then you can go a long way guys. And also you can earn a lot of money on this skill. So guys, there's a lot to cover on this topic. I can't do it in one video. And that's why I have created a course where you guys can go and enroll yourself and start learning. And if you wish to be a part of our Autobody and painting community, and if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, and if you want to do your own paint jobs by yourself, then look no further guys. You know what is to be done. Get yourself enrolled. So if you have answered yes to all of these 4 major questions, then you can go ahead and start your paint job. But if it is a no, then you know what is to be done. Learn first and then go ahead and do the paint job. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is rysonsspraybooth signing out until we meet again.